Mountain Dew, Baja flavors. Are they good? How are they mixed? And are they good when mixed with regular Mountain Dew? Let's figure it out right now. We're going to start off with the one that's well known, the one that probably has a cult following. You should know it. Baja Blast from Taco Bell. That's a good tropical lime flavor. I love anything with citrus. Can't figure out what makes the flavor tropical, but it's good. This is the Baja Gem, which is mango flavored. And this one is the Baja Gold pineapple flavor. I think the mango one's much, or not much, but it's sweeter than the pineapple one. But they are both pretty good. It's pretty uncommon to find a mango and pineapple soda, so there you are. They're good. I definitely still rank Baja Blast as the king of the Baja flavors. So one time I was sipping the Baja Gold, and it made me think of another soda called Cactus Cooler, which is a pineapple orange blend soda. And that led me to this idea of mixing these Baja flavors. So here we are. Shoutouts to Cactus Cooler. Good soda. All right, now we're going to mix the pineapple and the mango. Look at that yellow color there. Let's take a look at the mango color as well. There you have it, mango. Mango pineapple mixture. This is probably going to give me some Cactus Cooler vibes. Not bad. None of them really stick out over the other. You get a blend mix of mango pineapple. I don't even know where this goes. Baja Blast with pineapple. Oh, I got some spillage. It's okay. Now that's like an interesting color. It just looks like regular Mountain Dew for me. Let's try this out. Pineapple Baja Blast. So you taste the Baja first, and then followed by pineapple. Interesting. Okay. Now we're going to do the Baja Blast with the mango. Baja Blast. Meat mango. Alright. This looks very similar to the mango pineapple. Let's try it out. Similar thing going on. You got the Baja flavor, and then the mango kind of comes through afterwards. I would say that the mango Baja is probably the least of the two of the mixes. I didn't really like the mango Baja as much as these two mixes over here. Flavor is not as good, and the scent is not as good. So there's that. Out of these two, if I were to rank one above the other, let me try this out again. Excuse me. Doing the do here. Try this again. This way. This one sticks out to me. This is good. Mix these two, not these two. Alright, now we're going to figure out which Baja flavors complement the regular Mountain Dew flavors best. Yeah, let's just keep pouring. Right, there's your classic Dew. And I said that the color looks similar. Yeah, this one's a bit greenish, I guess. This is a bit lighter. Can't really tell from these shades here, but we're taking it to extreme because we're drinking Dew. All right. This is Baja regular Dew. It's a nice color. Actually, let me just finish out pouring all these actually. Excuse me. What is this? Pineapple? Pineapple with regular Dew. And then we'll follow it up with Mango Dew. All right, Baja and regular dew. So this mixture seems like it just lightens the Baja Blast flavor, kind of drowns it out. Pineapple, regular Mountain Dew. Same thing here, the pineapple gets a little drowned out, but refreshing. Mango, regular dew. Mango forward. Not bad, but not great. So it's fair. Definitely at the bottom of the mixtures. So you can see there's a common theme going on with the mango being not so great with the mix. It's definitely a great soda by itself, but it does not stand up to the other two Baja flavors when mixed. I guess go ahead and do something like that. Where's the Baja Mango? These two are the least favorite. Okay, so this is how I have ranked my Mountain Dew mixes from the lowest to the highest. And like I said before, the common theme was mango being not a great mix with the regular dew and the Baja Blast. But surprisingly, when mixed with the pineapple, it was a really great flavor. I don't know if there was some kind of bias towards this because of just memories of Cactus Cooler, but these two flavors are poppin'. And I guess pineapple must be a good mix because it looks like it mixed really well with the Baja Blast as well and with the regular Mountain Dew. Now I rank Dew and Baja Blast towards the end because really it just drowned out the Baja Blast flavor, and that was all it really did here. Yeah, it's like the Baja Blast is kind of muted, like I said before. And I think just mix these two flavors. They're great. As far as the flavors themselves alone, Baja Blast is definitely still the king, and the other three flavors, they are they're great as well. They're like towards this side over here. And yeah, so that was it. That was the Baja Blast Mountain Dew mix and ranking. All right, time to get diabetes. Or not. I feel sick. Oh, God. I should have ended with... I should have started with these first. Because these flavors suck. Okay. I'm done. What am I doing here?